Hello, my viewers. Welcome back to Kim Health channel. And our topic today is how gulping or drinking water too quickly, how can it be dangerous, or how can it wreak havoc to your life to a point of taking your life. You normally know that water is life, but when you take it the way it's not supposed to be taken, it's going to pose a risk to your life. When you gulp water down quickly, you fill your stomach more faster than what your body can process. Understand that your kidney process a certain amount of fluid per hour, so it is hourly. So too much, you're going to have much of it being bodies, and instead of hydrating your cell, instead of hydrating your tissues, this water is going to be or get flushed into your body system, into your blood system, and as a result of that, you're going to have your salt and it flushed out. Your blood, your sodium in the blood is going to be muted, and as a result, you suffer something called hyponatremia, which will result to nausea, confusion, and headache. And the worst case scenario, you're going to go into a coma or seizure. So it is not recommended to gulp water. Just a sip after every 30 seconds or 1 minute. Make sure when you're doing this, the water stay in your mouth for some few seconds for it to be mixed with some enzymes to aid digestion and absorption. This way you're going to minimize the risks that are associated with gulping of water. So it's not good whenever you come from an activity to have gulping, drinking too quickly. This can work to your health, general health. This can also increase it too quickly. This can increase your blood volume, which is going to exert pressure into your heart. You might experience chest pain, what we call angina, confusion, because your heart and general body system is being run by these electrolyte salts, etc. So when you have them diluted and flushed out, you're going to have more problems than the advantages or the desired of what you intended when you're taking this water. So that is that for today. Stay tuned, consider subscribing. Up until we meet on our next video. Share your comment on the comment section below, and may God bless you.